Hi! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia device. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck, like that. Now, in order to continue, get this free app from this developer, Flar2 DevCheck device and system info. Finally, thanks to this free app, you can learn all the informations about your Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!